सब्सक्राइब करो मेरे ट्रू हेल्प गुरु चैनल को हर दिन लेटेस्ट नया वीडियो देखने के लिए।
नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, केम सो, सलाम अलैकुम। मेरा नाम है सुजाउल अहमद और आप लोगों का स्वागत है मेरे चैनल ट्रू हेल्प गुरु में। तो दोस्तों, आज मैं आप लोगों को सुनाऊंगा एक डिस्कशन जो कि मैंने गैजेट 360 से लिया हुआ है। वो डिस्कशन है जियो फोन के ऊपर और करेंगे बहुत कुछ बात। दोस्तों चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल ट्रू हेल्प गुरु में। तो दोस्तों, फाइनली जियो फोन जो है वो ले लिया है बहुत कुछ लोगों ने, और बहुत सारे लोगों ने जियो फोन नहीं लिया है क्योंकि उनके मन में है बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस। क्या जियो फोन को हम हॉटस्पॉट की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं? क्या जियो फोन में व्हाट्सएप यूज कर सकते हैं? क्या जियो फोन को टीवी में कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं? ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है मन में दोस्तों। तो दोस्तों, आज मैं आप लोगों को आपके जो क्वेश्चन है मन में वो सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर दूंगा। मैं आप लोगों को एक डिस्कशन सुनाने जा रहा हूं जो कि मैंने गैजेट 360 से लिया हुआ है, और ये डिस्कशन सुन के आपका जो क्वेश्चन है मन में वो सब क्वेश्चन दोस्तों सॉल्व हो जाएगा। तो दोस्तों आइए सुनते हैं उस डिस्कशन को।
This episode around the JioPhone before we came to know about certain terms and conditions associated with buying the phone. While the phone costs 1500 rupees and is essentially free because you get that money back when you return it after 3 years, there are certain terms and conditions associated with this effectively free offer. You have to make recharges worth rupees 1500 every year to get that refund, and of course if you buy a JioPhone and don't use it, then the company has the right to ask for it to be returned. Now JioPhone, for those who don't know, is a smart feature phone unveiled by telecom operator in India called Reliance Jio. This phone costs 1500 rupees. Yes, 1500 rupees, and you can get all of your money back if you return the phone to the operator after 3 years. So it's effectively free. Now we've had this phone for almost a week now, so we are ready to share our first impressions of the phone, talk about the phone in depth, and to mention whether it actually lives up to the hype, whether it's actually a phone that works and not a sham. So to talk about this, we have our reviews expert now, that's Aditya Shenoy.
Hello.
We also have our games editor Rishi Alvani.
What's a reviews editor now? What was he before?
Before he was just a minion. Now he's been promoted.
Yeah. Because Jio.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, and I'm your host Pranay Parab. So I think first and most important thing is, does this phone work? Because at 1500 rupees, I seriously was expecting some kind of a trade-off here, like some phone that doesn't work properly, or with some major caveat that was not highlighted at the keynote.
Okay, so from my experience, yes, it works as expected. It's based on a different OS. Like a lot of people were expecting it to run Android, but no, it runs on Kai OS. Like it's a fork of Firefox OS. It's quite simple, grid style layout. The main difference is the keypad. Like you have the keypad and stuff. So we are so used to smartphones, and there's been times when I've been touching the screen and figuring out, okay, why isn't it okay? So yeah, so navigation wise and all, yeah, it works. Like you haven't had any issue, any lag or stutter, anything of that sort with this phone.
Yeah, but then again, let's be clear here. This isn't for someone who's already using your mid-range or top.
Yeah. So it's pretty much for a feature phone user currently, who's a feature phone user who'd want to be connected on the internet, would want to probably use it for some or the other things. Yeah.
But then, having said that, while we have been using it for a weekend, while I do understand, the user experience seems to be usable, do you see people picking it up as a secondary device?
As a secondary device, I wouldn't mind picking it up as a secondary device. I can basically keep it switched off and in the bag. So when my primary phone runs out, I'm still connected to the internet. I can message someone if required, and plus calling works as well. So yeah, I think it's a good device. When it's effectively free, yeah, but why not a secondary device?
So it would be good. But then I think this is a question we've got a lot in our comment section. I think it's something that, fine, if you're saying it's an affordable secondary device, can you actually use it as a hotspot? Because Jio's network is supposedly the fastest, right?
So the thing is, there's no hotspot feature on the JioPhone at the moment. Like I don't think it would come to the JioPhone. But yeah, for if you need to use a hotspot, they have a JioFi which is cheaper than this phone, and you can use it for a hotspot, and
Yeah.
that can support more devices and has USB tethering as well. So I don't see the reason of using a JioPhone as a hotspot, to be honest. But yeah.
So for those who don't know, the JioFi is a Wi-Fi hotspot device which
Yeah.
costs what, 999 rupees.
Yeah,
now?
currently it's at 999.
Yeah, so you can basically use that thing as a router. You can just put a GeoSIM in there and recharge it. So the most important thing with this, like most important question already has been answered, that you cannot use the JioPhone as a hotspot.
Yeah.
But for 1500 rupees, as you mentioned that the phone works lag free, etc. Like my biggest worry was that since this has a color display and is always connected to the internet,
Yeah.
what about battery life?
So I think yes, like if, battery life was one of our concerns as well, and for that reason, like the JioPhone has got a huge battery. Like we have seen feature phones with 900 milliampere hour battery, 1000 milliampere hour battery. This thing has a 2000 milliampere hour removable battery. So the battery size is good. I've used it for with different scenarios. Like it has the whole thing of Geo apps, so you have music streaming and stuff. After streaming music, watching a bit of TV, and having the data on pretty much all the time, I still was left with somewhere around 80% of battery after the end of like after 24 hours. So I think effectively it should run for 4 days, like 3.5 or 4 days with that kind of usage, which is quite good considering the price you pay and what you get.
Yeah, and the other big question that everyone has in mind is, does WhatsApp work on JioPhone?
So WhatsApp, yeah. So as of now, WhatsApp does not work on JioPhone. I don't think if WhatsApp is planning to or is making anything for the JioPhone at the moment. So
Which
WhatsApp does not. Yeah. So there's no support for WhatsApp at the moment. But yeah, like we did try the web version of Telegram, and that kind of worked.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I mean, at least what I've been hearing from developers off record is WhatsApp and Facebook are coming to the platform simply because the moment Airtel announced its feature phones, there was already a few scares that okay, if Airtel is going to do it, Airtel is going to do it with these services. So we won't be surprised if we see WhatsApp and Facebook show up as an over-the-air update. This is something which a couple of developers have told me about. Then again, these are the same developers who told us back in the day that the phone's going to be running KaiOS and will have HTML5 apps, and all that's turned out to be true. So I won't be surprised if this ends up being correct as well. So I mean, so if you're looking to pick it up just for WhatsApp, I mean, heck, I wouldn't blame you, man. I mean, considering most of India runs on WhatsApp, you may want to hold off till the OTA is out, or yeah, I mean, right with it.
So reliability wise issues, like I haven't faced any issues during the time that I have been using it. Other than that, one thing that I would have really liked is if it came with the TV cable that it showed off during the AGM, and it's being sold separately, but if it was bundled, I think it's quite good. See, because when you have Geo apps, you have Geo TV and Geo movies, and you can pretty much stream a movie on the phone. The Geo cable effectively just helps to plug, just get it onto the bigger screen, So it would have been helpful. That's what I think personally. But yeah, other than that, no complaints. It does look solidly built. I haven't dropped it yet, no drop test. So yeah.
Yeah. Wanna try a water test?
No, I don't think it'll survive. Actually, the torch works. You have to long press I think the hash key or the 0 key, and yeah, the torch would work with that. Other than that, FM radio, yes, there is FM radio support. And here's the best part: you don't have to connect a headset with it to listen to FM radio. You can, even if you forget your headphone at home, you can have FM radio playing from the speaker without it attaching like a additional headset, which is honestly cool. I think a lot of people might actually like it.
तो दोस्तों ये था जियो फोन के ऊपर एक डिस्कशन वीडियो जो कि शायद आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा और आपके जो मन में क्वेश्चंस था जियो फोन के बारे में वो शायद सॉल्व हो गई होगी। तो दोस्तों फिर भी मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं कि जियो फोन में आप व्हाट्सएप यूज नहीं कर सकते और जियो फोन को आप एक हॉटस्पॉट की तरह यूज नहीं कर सकते। तो दोस्तों आपको कैसा लगा मेरा ये वीडियो? और दोस्तों ऐसे ही आप लोगों के लिए नया नया वीडियो, नया नया न्यूज लाता रहूंगा। आप प्लीज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और लाइक कमेंट शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। तो दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही। जय हिंद।